If Google Chrome won't open on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right now. These steps are quick, beginner-friendly, and in many cases, they can get Chrome launching again without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go ahead and restart your computer. This might sound basic, but a fresh restart can clear out temporary system glitches that sometimes stop Chrome from opening properly. To do that, click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. Once your PC turns back on, try opening Google Chrome again and see if the issue is fixed. If Chrome still won't open, the next thing to do is end any stuck Chrome processes in Task Manager. Sometimes Chrome is already running in the background, but a frozen process prevents it from opening a new window. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. That will open Task Manager. Look through the list for Google Chrome or any Chrome background processes. If you see them, click each one and then select End Task. After that, close Task Manager and try launching Chrome again. If it still refuses to open, the next step is to run Chrome as an administrator. This can help if the problem is related to permissions on your system. Go to your desktop and find the Google Chrome shortcut. Right-click it and then choose Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, allow it. Chrome should now open with elevated permissions, which may solve the startup issue. Now, if Chrome opens briefly and then crashes, the problem may be related to hardware acceleration or GPU settings. In that case, you can try disabling GPU acceleration from the shortcut settings. Right-click the Chrome shortcut again, then click Properties. In the target field, go to the end of the text, add a space, and type --disable -GPU. Make sure you add it exactly at the end after a space, then click Apply and OK. Now try opening Chrome again. This change can help if graphics acceleration is causing Chrome to crash at startup. Another thing that can interfere with Chrome is antivirus software or firewall protection. Some security tools mistakenly block Chrome from launching, especially after an update or if the program is being flagged incorrectly. As a test, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall protection, then try opening Chrome once more. If Chrome opens normally after that, you'll know the security software was the cause. Just make sure to turn your protection back on afterwards so your computer stays secure. If one of these steps works, you should be back in Chrome in just a few minutes, and if not, there may be deeper issues like a corrupted user profile or an installation problem, which I can cover in a future video. If this guide helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and browser troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.